how many beautiful women in here. You like that women wine up, sister? James Martin got a girlfriend and a wife.
I love the gory details.
What a cracking fish. One, two, three, yes! Did we actually own one of these things? Yes, not them. Drop it right now. There you go, right. Who would like a kid knife? Look at that.
Cruise over your left shoulder to see the initial on your next lever, okay?
Oh!
Yay!
Oh, lovely, 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 lovely. Italian food is very much like Italian men, right? Minimum effort, maximum satisfaction. It's all I needed, look. Big five. Only one Italian here, and it's me. Place it over the top like that, and you just cut it with your hands like that, and you've got a pie. That's fine.
So rock and roll.
Shake it up, girl.